When I say I have been trying to edit this video for months, I mean it. I have been trying to edit this video for months, you guys. But anyways, so right now I'm just taking down her braids. She has had these braids in, I can't even remember. Like I said, I'm trying to edit this video for months. But she's had these braids in for a hot little minute. So I guess she assumed that I would just put the wig on top of this, but I was like, no, we gotta take these down and we're going to shampoo, condition her hair, blow it out, and have a fresh new set of braids. Because I am not that person. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, you can keep your scalp braids in for a certain amount of time without having to continuously take them out and redo them. But I knew she had these in for a minute. And how would it look for me being a natural hairstylist that promotes the safety and the health of your natural hair, and I don't take it seriously? So yeah, we're just going to take these down. I'm going to detangle her hair properly, and we're going to head over to the wash station. So I didn't record me shampooing and conditioning her hair, but I mean, obviously, of course I did, because you all don't see the you all don't see the excessive buildup or anything like that. So right now I'm just trying to make sure that I have a middle part in her head. So you guys, I am not a braider. I do the best that I can. So I try to make sure that if I can at least have the middle part correct, then the rest of the braid down is going to be good. So like I said, I'm not a braider, and I started using Shine and Jam to help me with the parts, and it also helps me make sure that the hair is smooth and more neater in the braid. And another thing that helps is when I don't have on any nails at all, like how you guys see in the video. I don't have on any nails at all. But that's another reason why when I get my nails, I try to get short sets, because I don't really get that many wig installs, but I do get a lot of traditional installs. So, and I want to make sure that your hair is protected underneath the best that I possibly can, because how can it be a protective style if your hair is not protected underneath, guys? And also something else that I didn't record, if you watch my videos, then you will know that I prefer to put product in the hair while it's wet and blow dry it in. So I did put a moisturizer in her hair prior to blow drying her hair, and I didn't put it in but I didn't put it in after it was blown out, because that causes the hair to get more greasier, wetter, and it causes it to curl back up, which is what I did not want, especially with me not being a skilled braider. So yeah, there's that. And also, if you are a natural hairstylist that gets clients that come to you prior to getting their hair braided, whether it's feed-ins or knotless braids, anything like that, you could do that technique as well, because I have a lot of clients that come to me prior to getting their hair braided, and the braiders don't know the difference like at all. But right now I'm just sealing everything in with my oils, and I'm going to sew her ending braid up. Her hair is fairly long, so it's not like a braid that we could just, we're just gonna hide it. No, we gotta sew this bad boy down. She has a lot of hair. So now that we're all braided up, I'm about to head over, just put like the cap on. I don't really do like the ball cap method, because a lot of clients sweat, and it can get pulled back, the glue making it lift and everything like that. It's just like a whole hot mess. And that's what also can kind of make it harder if they're trying to touch it up at home, or if they come back as far as like for a maintenance. So right now I'm just trying to make sure that it fits on her head, and it was almost dang near a perfect fit, you guys. So now I've taken the cap off, so I'm just cutting the lace with my mini shears. These are just some eyebrow shears. You can get them off of Amazon. You can get them out of the hair store like as well. And any place where I seen that the lace was not secured, I made sure that I went back and put just a little bit. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. And she wanted no baby hairs, like no baby hairs at all. And I did use the Mio foam just to make sure that even all the shorter hairs were just out of our way and allowed me to work. And I'm going over just a little bit with spritz. And we're gonna put the wig cap, not the wig cap, oh my goodness, we're gonna put the wig band back on just for a second while I take these clips out and finish curling some other pieces, just making sure that the actual curls are in place and everything like that. Okay, now guys, the band is off. I'm just so happy that I'm finally able to edit this video. I don't know what was wrong with my software, but now I'm just doing the finishing touches on the part and just gonna tighten it up like her front pieces so it can kind of have that swoop bang kind of effect. And we're gonna spray it. Oh, look how crisp that part is. Yeah, look at my client. She is so pretty, guys. But thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you've made it this far in the video, I feel like you should subscribe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.